All right, well, after much tribulation, we have arrived at milestone 2. So as you can see, we have our code. So first of all, we're going to go to the perception pitch. These are all the setup things. So we've got, okay, great. If the button's pushed, we got light left, light right, and then we've added a section for light up and light down as well. There's the one from lab 1 for the collision sensor. Now we go to the planning. This is where we got our static state machine for collision detection. You'll recognize that. For steering the robot, I believe we wrote that one or worked on that one in this lab. So if it's left and right, then it'll go straight. If it's left, it'll go left. If it's right, it'll go right. But if there's a collision, it'll stop. Or if there's no light, for that matter. So we've got our case 1, case 2, case 3, but then we also have this move servo up and down. So up here, we did something that's called a global override. So essentially, if the light is both up and down, it's just, okay, we'll just stay where we're at. And then if we have both, obviously it's gonna stay where it's at. If it's up, then it's yes. If it's down, it's yes. We'll go to state 1 or state 2, or else we're going to go to state 0. Also, we set state 0 as a static integer, just so if there's any problems, it'll go there. So case 1, okay, looks like the light's up, the servo will move up. Or else, if it's both, then it'll not move, or if it's down, it'll move down. Okay, we've got the same thing here with state 2. That's all gonna come later. And then we have here our actions. So we've got actions to move the servo. Okay, if it's stopped, turn off the LEDs. If it's on, turn on LED 1. If it's down, turn on LED 5. These are just, yeah. So that is right there. So now you can see. So we've got our collision. Left, right, both, it's kind of hard to see, okay, both that way, obviously though, if there's a collision, sorry, my fingers are way too big for this, if they're both pressed, the collision will go on. Same thing over here. Hold on. This would be really more helpful if I had someone to video. As you can see, only the collision one's on. We've got our right servo. Our servo, let's see, here's the, I believe this is down, up. However, if we press both, it's real hard to press both, but if we press both, if we press one, it's on, both it's off. That one is on, but as soon as it becomes both, it's off. These are in fact independent of each other. Well, not all of them, but the ones that should be. Like we can have a collision and the servo moving up. But as you can see, that is the robot. Once again, I'm Mason Witt, and look forward to seeing you next milestone.